excited for people also to see now something new na naman that I have to give.
Can you give us a hint of what role you're gonna play in Jezebel?
Parang nag-alternate lang naman yung role ko, di ba? Una, mabait, tapos biglang fierce, tapos mabait, tapos fierce. So ngayon, fierce, nasa fierce na naman tayo. But yeah, of course, syempre, abangan nyo na lang yung Jezebel. Abangan nyo na lang yung teleserye to see kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa akin.
What are your preparations for Jezebel? You seem like you're fitter now. What are your preparations for the role?
Well, I'm still busy with Galema,
Yes.
actually. So, I cannot really prepare much yung on the physical side, yung mga ganyan. Pero, syempre, yung concentration ko, I promise that I'm gonna put yung focus ko sa work ko will be separate. When I'm doing Galema, I'll be completely focused on that. And then when I'm doing Jezebel, I'll be focused on that completely also.
Ano masasabi mo na hindi pa tapos yung Galema, may kasunod ka na namang project?
Opo, masaya po ako na may kasabay pa yung, may ginagawa ko na magkasabay pa. I feel really blessed and I'm really happy that of course people see my passion for the passion that I have for what I do and that they know na kaya ko po.
Any hint na magsasot ka rin ba ng buntot dito or sa ano ka lang?
Alam na, hindi naman po surprising sa lahat na ako, di ba, ako naman ay isang swimmer in real life. Pero dito sa show, parang swimmer din ako. I'm not a mermaid, but I am a swimmer.
So are you gonna juggle Galema and Jezebel, or are you gonna finish Galema first?
No, I will have to do both. I believe I will have to do both at the same time.
Great.
Paano scheduling nun, di ba?
Oo nga, hindi ko rin alam eh.
Kamusta na kayo ni Jake? I mean,
Okay lang.
Nung mapili, nung sinabi sa yung part ka ng Jezebel?
Nagulat po ako, pero kasi di ba, I still have Galema, of course, which is ongoing and hindi pa patapos, which is unlike yung mga akala ng mga tao. Pero, and na-excited po ako at the same time. After I heard about yung character ko, yung kwento niya, at kung ano yung kasing tao niya, alam ko na it's something that I really wouldn't want to pass the opportunity on.
Okay.
I feel like kayang-kaya ko siya and I feel like bagay siya sa akin and pwede ko siyang gawin. So, why not?
Okay, kainisan ka ba dito? Pag napanood ka na namin, may inis kami sa karakter mo?
Sana. Sana kainasan ako kasi I think yun naman talaga yung goal
Yun yung goal ng
character.
character.
I mean, sa audience, pagdating sa audience.
Okay.
Pero sana at the same time, I mean, hindi lang puro inis, sana at the same time, maramdaman rin naman.
Okay.
Diba? Na tao rin ako.
Okay. Salamat, Andy. Thank you, thank you.